I got the tankless water heater right here, energy saver, supposal. It's gonna be a 120 volt, as you can see here. Now here's the issue: is earlier they weren't getting hot water out, and this was just frozen, all the way frozen. Now as you can see here, we got water coming out at the cap, and it's just the cap has a crack on it. So we're gonna go ahead and replace this cap, and we should be good to go after that. Alright, so I got the water shut off to it right there. Got my O-ring on the inside, my brass cap. Gonna replace that. Just gonna tighten it back up. So you can see the looking for the old one. Here it is. You'll be able to see it's split right there. So water was coming out of it. Anyways, there you go. Split out of there. So this will work cool. We're gonna just snug it down. Or channel off. That's it. And then we'll be good to go. Alrighty. Got the water back on. New cap on. Snug down, no more leaking. So we're good to go. We're on this other Navien right here. We got a code. It says E110, and it means clogged or abnormal pressure, air pressure. It's right here, E110, abnormal air pressure. So this is the air filter for it. I cleaned it out really good with a nice nylon brush. Get that cleaned out really good. And we're gonna reinsert this thing in here like this. Slide it on in there pretty easy.